Something's in here.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
coming up the stairs.
Oh, okay. We're watching, Willie.
Open it. Let's find out what it is.
What do you think it is? Where'd it come from?
It's from the North Pole.
It did?
Santa made a toy for me.
He did?
Yeah.
Did you get to see him?
He was. I went to McDonald's.
Yeah. Did you see Santa?
I got the elf on the shelf.
What?
I got the elf on the shelf.
Did Santa bring you an elf?
Yeah, and it's the elf on the shelf movie. And it's just a toy.
Oh, what's
I
inside?
think that's the real elf on the shelf.
That
What?
is. Yeah, you can't touch him.
What?
Remember? He'll lose his magic. Is there a book? I think that's a book that came with it.
Don't.